is up, Gateway dudes? It is KJ. We are making the second assembly of the whatever 6th section of the document that you gotta do. Anyways, it's this weird thing for me, and then Mr. Otto will probably have a different one. I don't know. He's Mr. Otto. So, looking at this, it's completely pointless, but we gotta make it. So, there's 2 cubes and this weird thing in the middle. So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna slap a cube down, slap another cube down, slap this guy down, and then we're just gonna say this here, and then these guys go this way. Pretty simple. Let's just jump into it. We're gonna click the new assembly button here. After I went to my home, I'm going to place normal, and I'm going to start with a cube, say open, right click, place grounded at origin, and I'm going to make a second cube over here, say OK, and then I'm going to place the prism. Wait, no, that's not it. Where is it? I'm going to find it real quick. Here it is. Bam. Place this guy right here, and say OK. So, what does it actually look like? So, that's very simple. All we gotta do is say the long side here and the short side here. So, first off, what we're going to do is we're going to constrain this face to this face here. Pretty easy. Go ahead and apply that. And then we're going to flush the top face and this top face. Apply. And then finally, this face flush. Click apply. And now that's perfect in there. And we're going to start constraining this guy. And all we're going to do is say this side and this side need to be together. Mated, not flushed. Click apply. And we'll flush the tops of them. Apply. And then we're going to here and here. Because we can't actually see this face anymore because we covered it up with the other cube. We're going to mate those and click apply. And then there we go. There's our new assembly.